guys, good afternoon, good afternoon. May nangyari po kasi kaya we were not able to upload videos lately kasi po ito, na-admit po ako sa hospital. I'm very strong. I thought I'm okay pero I'm sick inside. You know, I am in a public hospital, guys, in South Africa, Durban. We're still busy in the process of checking the results kasi po I have a sinus bradycardia. My heart is very slow. It's beating too low kaya tamad yung puso ko. Anyway guys, yeah, I'm just letting you know po kaya wala po kaming mga update. That's why I don't have any update or upload. But we will be back soon. And today is May. What's today? Hindi ko na alam yung araw. Kasi it's my 3rd day in hospital na po. Today is May 28. May 28 po. 3 days. So now guys, I was experiencing heart palpitation, skipping, and yun nga, doon na nag-umpisa ang lahat. So now, I just finished heart scan and I'm waiting for the doctor to interpret the result. And let's get it from there. Anyway guys, pakita ko sa inyo itong ano ha. I am in a government hospital pero ang linis niya. Para ako nasa private. Ayan, may kasama ko dito pero wala siya. Na may kanya-kanyang cubicle po kami. Ayan. Ayan na sa kabilang cubicle. Oh. Ayan ang linis guys. Ayan no. Sinong mag-aakala na nasa ano ka? Government hospital ka. May kanya-kanya kaming cubicle. Tapos, every night may kanya-kanya kaming ganyan. So, parang may sarili akong room. Oh. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. That's the story. Dinner time, guys. Dinner time. The man is the long time. You're very happy. Yeah. Thank you. Hello. Thank you. So guys, this is the food for tonight. Bean curry with apple. Natatawa ako dito guys kasi ang pagkain dito, masarap siya. Ang saya nito, pala kanta ng kanta. Ang pagkain nila, masarap siya. Kaso iisang kulay. Iisang kulay mula umaga hanggang gabi. Puro curry, puro masala. Pero okay siya, masarap siya. Kain na tayo guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung bago ulam. Isama ko dito. Oh, that is a bean curry with java rice at saka beetroot. May kasama siyang apple this time. Ayan. Hello guys, good evening, good evening. Ayan, nandito pa rin ako sa hospital and it's 8 o'clock in the evening. This is my third night. And may pakape sila at saka bread. Ayan. Anyway guys, in hospital here in South Africa, I'm in a public hospital, di ba? There are visiting hours 1 to 2 and 6 to 7. Then after that, alis na sila. Well, hindi required ang bantay dito. Ayaw nila. So, after the visiting hours, umaalis na lahat. So, na lang, yung tahimik na ulit. Then, maya-maya lang, sasara na yung mga curtain. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Hanggang rito, malinis siya. Maalaga rin sila, ganun. And, masarap ang pagkain. Iisa nga lang ang kulay, isang lasa. Pero okay lang. Today, Ginawa ko lang yung aking heart scan. Tapos, i-interpret ng doktor yun tomorrow. So, let's see. Let's see kasi magdi-decide sila if I'm gonna get a pacemaker or ano. Yun lang. Yun lang, guys. Paggabi, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung itsura dito mamaya. Hello guys, today is June 1st, Monday, and it's my 6th day here in hospital. But hopefully I will be discharged today because we are just getting a schedule or date for MIBI scan. By the way guys, I was confined here because I had a heart palpitation. My heart is skipping and it got a very low heartbeat, so it's too slow. So they admitted me for ECG monitoring, and so they did a lot of tests now. They did a heart scan, so my heart is normal except that it's just beating slow. Yeah, even though I didn't exercise because they asked me to go down and up to a 4-story building. They want me to do it 4 times, but I only did it twice because after the second set, I started feeling dizzy, lightheaded, and then I'm sweating and I can't breathe. So the result was, even though I'm tired, the heart didn't respond at all. Yun. So, they asked for more tests now. So, they're doing MIBI scan. That is a much more detailed scan for the heart so that they can see maybe there's a damage or there's a block on the heart because there is something that is not functioning properly. So, see guys, even though I look like very healthy, but I am very sick inside. That's per the doctor. So hopefully, they can get the date, for me to be transferred to the Albert Luthuli, one of the specialist hospital. It's a semi-private. And once we get the date, I'll be discharged. There you go. So that's the update, my friend. So hopefully, I'm sure we will be back to the market, we'll back to the proper operation, and we will be back to video uploads. I miss you all, guys. So that's all for now. Ingat lang po lagi and be healthy. Guys, good morning. Today is June the 3rd, and it's my 8th day here in the hospital, but I am going home today because we were able to get the schedule for my MIBI scan, and that's going to be on the 23rd. I'm going into the other hospital to do it, but we have to wait for the schedule. So for now, I'm waiting for my medicine. And I'm gonna go home, sweet home. So there you go, guys. So while waiting for the MIBI, I'll just take it easy. Huwag masyadong magpakapagod siguro. Ganon. So that's my journey, guys. 8 days in hospital, ECG monitoring, and I am asymptomatic bradycardia. But I'm still ongoing with further tests kasi hindi pa talaga nila nakita, or they want to go right deep into the ano talaga ang sanhi. So, that's all for now. See you again with our spring roll queen. See you guys. Bye-bye.